With the Android 13 Snapdragon 870 octa-core Pad 7 Ultra from Aliexpress, your quest for a budget-friendly yet high-performance tablet PC ends here. Let's delve into the features that make this device a standout choice for tech enthusiasts and budget-conscious consumers alike. The Pad 7 Ultra boasts a remarkable 10.1-inch full screen, providing an expansive canvas for your digital endeavors. With an impressive 93% screen-to-body ratio, you can enjoy immersive visuals and vibrant colors like never before. Whether you're streaming movies, browsing the web, or gaming, the Pad 7 Ultra delivers an unparalleled viewing experience that exceeds expectations. Equipped with an 8MP front camera, the Pad 7 Ultra ensures that your selfies are nothing short of stunning. Say goodbye to dull and uninspired self-portraits with higher brightness, color vividness, and dynamic range. Every selfie becomes a masterpiece. Additionally, the 16MP rear HD camera with a large aperture of f2.0 and 1.28 pixels ensures that your photos are clear and bright, even in challenging lighting conditions. Powered by the Snapdragon 870 mobile platform and 10mm process technology, the Pad 7 Ultra delivers powerful performance that caters to your entertainment needs. Whether you're indulging in the latest mobile games or multitasking with productivity apps, this tablet ensures smooth and responsive performance that keeps up with your active lifestyle. The Android 13 Snapdragon 870 octa-core Pad 7 Ultra from Aliexpress is a testament to innovation and affordability. With its stunning display, powerful cameras, seamless operation, and versatile connectivity options, this tablet PC offers exceptional value for money. Whether you're a tech enthusiast seeking the latest features or a budget-conscious consumer looking for a reliable device, the Pad 7 Ultra is sure to exceed your expectations. Elevate your digital experience without breaking the bank. Discover the Pad 7 Ultra today.